baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys these wall decors that I revamped. So let's get into the items that I used. Alright everyone, this is what we'll be using for item number 1, and everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see where I got them. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're going to take these mirrored pieces that I have and we're going to cut them into little squares and then place them all around the circles on our decor piece here. And these are the items that we'll be using for project number 2, and everything will be listed down below in the description box. And we have our mirrored pieces again, which we're going to cut into little squares. And we're going to use the E6000 glue and glue them down onto our project. Now we're going to use some silver glitter and our Mod Podge and add to our decor. And now I'll be adding some of the gems that you can get from Walmart, our bling gems, and adding just to liven up our decor a bit more. And here's project number 1, all finished. Now I did 2 of them, and for one I had the glass mirrors and some of the gemstones to it, the bling stones to it, and the second one over here is all the mirrored pieces only. So I have two different effects, one with the mirrors and the gemstones, which I think it looks very nice, and the other one strictly just the mirrors. And here's our finished project number 2, all done. I think it looks very nice with the glitter and the mirrored squares and our bling gems. I like how it looks nice, a nice rustic look. That's why I didn't spray paint. Um, I didn't spray paint the whole thing silver because I wanted to keep that rustic look in it and add our little bling to brighten it up. I love how it turned out. And here's our 2 sheets look up on the wall. I think they look very nice. Now I did use command strips to put them up there that you can get at Walmart, and I think they look very nice. Okay, you guys, I forgot to mention these are the peel and stick wall decor, and you can hang them up like that. Just peel them off and hang them on your wall, but I don't like it because it will take off the paint whenever you want to remove them. So that's why I use the command strips to hang them up instead of peeling off the back and using the peel and stick that it comes with. And here's our other decor up on the wall. I think it looks super cute. Very nice. Like I always tell you guys, you can buy something plain and simple, add your touch to it, and liven it up, and it makes a lovely decor for your home. Alright everyone, leave a comment and tell me what you think about these DIYs that I did. And don't forget to give me a like, press that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal Bliss. Bye-bye.
Oh, oh, oh.